How do you actually make money in 2026? Is it by dancing on TikTok, trading crypto, or building the next big AI empire? The truth is, money in 2026 isn't about working harder. It's about spotting hidden systems, turning pain points into profit, and turning attention into assets. Some of the ideas sound ridiculous, others sound genius, but all of them work. Let's break the system. Meme economy. When jokes become assets. It sounds silly, but it's real. The dumbest meme you post today could become tomorrow's viral NFT, trending TikTok sound, or global ad campaign. Why? Because attention is the most valuable currency in 2026. Humor spreads faster than reason. Advertisers crave it, and they'll pay huge money to be inside the joke. Dogecoin started as a joke. Now it's worth billions. One random skateboard video with cranberry juice turned into a brand deal. Memes solve the pain of boredom. They give people something to share. And in 2026, stupidity is not wasted. Stupidity is monetized. Creator empires. Trust sells faster than products. In 2026, one teenager with a smartphone can out-earn a multinational brand. How? By building trust. People don't believe faceless corporations. They believe faces, voices, and personalities. That's why creators are launching their own products. Coffee brands, fitness apps, digital courses, fashion lines. Mr. Beast turned YouTube into chocolate bars and burgers. Kylie Jenner turned selfies into a billion-dollar beauty brand. The pain this solves? Authenticity. People crave it. That's why in 2026, every creator is a CEO. And their followers? They're the shareholders. Skill arbitrage. Learn fast, sell faster. The world changes too fast for universities. By the time you graduate, the skills are outdated. That's why in 2026, the winners are those who learn on YouTube or TikTok today and sell tomorrow. AI prompt engineering, video editing, cybersecurity, viral marketing. These skills are in crazy demand. Companies need them now. Skill arbitrage solves the pain of urgency. If you can move faster than institutions, you win. In 2026, learn fast, package it, and sell faster. The AI gold rush, owning the machines that think. Artificial intelligence is not the future anymore. In 2026, it is the factory. The people making real money aren't just using AI, they're building with it. Custom AI tools, niche bots, automation services, these are the new gold mines. Why? Because AI solves the biggest pain, time. It makes businesses faster, cheaper, and stronger. If you save someone time, you save them money. And when you save them money, you get rich. The AI gold rush of 2026 is just beginning. Experience economy, selling feelings, not products. In 2026, people already own enough stuff. What they want are stories, memories, belonging. That's why experiences, festivals, retreats, VR events, immersive cafes are exploding. Apple doesn't sell phones, they sell a tribe. Nike doesn't sell sneakers, they sell a story. Just do it. The pain this solves? Meaning. People want their purchases to mean something. And in 2026, the experience economy is where the real money is. Health and longevity. The body is the new Bitcoin. The richest people in 2026 aren't just chasing money. They're chasing youth, longevity, energy, biohacking, supplements, DNA-driven diets, wearable health tech, all booming. Why? Because aging is the one pain we all share. Everyone pays to slow it down. In 2026, your body is your biggest investment account, and the ROI is life itself. Climate and energy hacks, green is gold. The planet is in crisis, but crises are billion-dollar opportunities. Solar energy, EV charging, carbon credits, eco-packaging, all exploding in 2026. Governments subsidize it. Consumers demand it. The pain this solves? Fear and guilt. People don't want to destroy the planet. They want to save it, and they'll pay for it. That's why in 2026, green isn't just good, green is gold. Digital assets 2.0. Beyond Bitcoin. Crypto is no longer just speculation. In 2026, it's practical. Tokenized real estate, fractional art ownership, NFTs as tickets and memberships, these are real use cases. Digital assets solve the pain of trust. People don't trust banks. They want speed, transparency, and control. Web3 in 2026 isn't hype. It's infrastructure. The education flip. from student to teacher, overnight. In 2026, if you know something valuable, you can teach it and sell it instantly. Online courses, mentorship groups, digital guides, AI-assisted tutoring, all exploding. Education solves the pain of confusion. People don't want to spend years learning. They want shortcuts. Clear, fast, actionable shortcuts. That's why micro-teachers in 2026 are millionaires. Entertainment 3.0. Streaming attention into cash. In 2026, entertainment isn't just culture, it's currency. From viral dances to hour-long documentaries, attention turns into dollars. TikTok pays, YouTube pays, Twitch pays, brands pay, fans pay. The pain this solves: boredom. The cure? Endless content, and endless money for those who make it. The space economy. From Earth problems to orbit profits. In 2026, space is not science fiction anymore, it's business. Satellites, space mining, even microgravity research, they all make money. Why? Because satellites power your GPS, your internet, even your banking. Companies are literally printing money in orbit. Space solves the pain of limits. The Earth is crowded. Space opens up new frontiers. And those who build rockets, satellites, or even just software for them are building fortunes. Gamified finance. When banking becomes a game. Nobody likes boring spreadsheets, but everybody loves games. In 2026, finance apps that feel like video games are exploding. Investing becomes a challenge. Saving becomes a reward. Why? Because gamification solves the pain of discipline. People hate budgeting, but they love winning. If you can make money feel like a game, people will pay you to play. The psychology industry. Happiness as a product. Mental health apps. Therapy platforms. Digital meditation. In 2026, psychology is a billion-dollar industry. Why? Because anxiety, depression, and stress are at all-time highs. People pay for peace of mind, and peace of mind sells. The pain this solves is invisible suffering. And in 2026, happiness itself is a product. Data brokers, owning the new oil. Attention may be oil, but data is uranium. It powers everything. In 2026, companies that gather, clean, and resell data are untouchable. Why? Because data solves the pain of uncertainty. Businesses want to know what customers want before they even want it. The ones who own the pipelines of data own the future. Micro-subscriptions, pennies that add up to billions. Forget big one-time purchases. In 2026, everything is a subscription. $1 for premium filters, $2 for AI note-taking, $5 for private Discord groups. It doesn't feel like much, but when millions subscribe, it's a fortune. Micro-subscriptions solve the pain of access. Cheap, easy, instant. And billions are made from pennies. So, how do you really make money in 2026? By solving boredom with memes. By solving trust with creators. By solving time with AI. By solving health with longevity. By solving fear with green energy. Every industry, from space to psychology, from gaming to finance, is just pain waiting to be fixed. And every pain is a paycheck. In 2026, money isn't about chasing jobs. It's about chasing problems. Solve the right one. And you don't just get rich, you get remembered. Subscribe for more videos, and remember, YouTube's got something it knows you'll want to see next. Trust the algorithm. It's smarter than you think.